Hello and welcome to Before Exams. Here we help you to prepare for your exams absolutely free of cost. So like, share and subscribe to support us.
Hello and welcome to this lecture of IELTS Listening. We will be learning about the types of questions that are asked in an IELTS listening test. So we'll be learning about these kind of questions, and before moving to the practice tests, I'll give you some example questions of all the kinds of questions so that you are well versed and you are comfortable with the kind of questions before attempting the practice tests. Now, in IELTS listening, there are 5 types of questions which are asked. The first one is Phillips questions. As the name suggests, in these kind of questions, there will be a missing information that you need to fill out by listening to the audio which will be played in the test. The next type of question is match the following questions. You have been doing these kind of questions from your childhood. These kind of questions are the questions in which you need to match the answer with the correct information. Then comes the MCQs, which are multiple choice questions. The MCQs or the multiple choice questions are the questions in which there will be a choice of answers which will be given to you. You have to figure out which is the correct option and you have to mark that option. Then we have the map and diagrams kind of questions. Map and diagrams type of questions are the questions which will be introduced for the first time for many of you candidates. Now these are the questions in which there will be a map or a diagram and there will be some missing information, or there could be the match the following type of questions in this. So either you need to fill up the missing information or you have to match the correct answer depending on the question. The last one are the short answer type questions. In the short answer type questions, there will be a word limit which will be specified to you, whether you have to answer it in not more than 2 words or not more than 3 words. You need to strictly adhere to the word limit and you need to answer the questions in that word limit only. Else your marks will be deducted. You won't get any mark, you will get 0 mark in it. So these are the type of questions which are asked in an IELTS listening test. Next, we will be working with the different kind of questions and I'll be giving you some methods to attempt those kind of questions, the tips and tricks to attempt those kind of questions, and also we'll be working on the different examples of different kind of questions so that you are well versed with those type of questions before attempting the practice tests and you feel confident enough about all the kinds of questions. So this will be it in this lecture now. Thank you and have a great day.